Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Osceola, local and long-distance movers near me. A long-distance move is one that stretches about 50 miles and out. It might be within your state, but it's a long way from where you are at the moment to get there. To ensure a successful long-distance move, you must plan beforehand and thoroughly grasp the terrain. We promise to get you to where you need to be every time, on time. 3 Movers is a great choice because we are affordable and dependable at the same time. Because we have the choice equipment and experience necessary to move across the country, relocation is not a problem for us. Throughout the course of our interactions, our drivers are taught to make you feel at ease. We're also the best Osceola movers, and we're here to assist you. In addition, we have solid contact with the federal and state authorities involved in the relocation process. Consequently, we have some of the best security systems in the business. Our insurance will cover all parties involved in the move. We also offer a $30 to $40 hourly rate for local relocations. Our prices are competitive, and you'll receive exactly what you paid for when you engage with us. Despite the commotion of the city, we have no concerns about damage to your property. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Osceola moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.